Forex demo account is a simulation of a real trading account. It's a great way for beginners to learn how to trade currencies without risking any real money. With a demo account, you can practice trading in a real market environment using virtual money. It's just like playing a game where you can experiment with different strategies and learn from your mistakes without any financial consequences. At MiralFX Broker, there is no charge for the demo account, and all trading accounts are just like real accounts of the broker. So you can try the platform out before you open a real account. It's an excellent way to get familiar with the trading platform and test your skills before investing your hard-earned money. To open your demo account, contact MiralFX support via MiralFX.com. MiralFX, ideal broker.